Hi friends. Apple has just announced a bunch of new hardwares. In this video, let's see what a new 2020 iPad Pro looks like. Come, let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Apple has just announced its new 2020 iPad Pro models. Come, let's see some of its new features. Apple claims that it has improved the display with a new liquid retina display, low reflection, same 120Hz, ProMotion, and 600 nits of brightness. This year's iPad Pro's biggest upgrade are its Pro cameras. It comes with a new 10MP ultra-wide camera, 12MP wide camera, and a light detection and ranging sensor for augmented reality. The all-new Magic Keyboard comes with an amazing full-size keyboard and a trackpad. It also includes a USB Type-C port for pass-through charging and front and back protection cover. Price starting at $300 makes this keyboard one of the most expensive keyboards available in the market. Talking about colors and size, iPad Pro comes with 11 and 12.9 inch and available in space gray and silver color. Talking about the performance, iPad Pro comes with a 12Z Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture, neural engine, embedded M12 coprocessor. Friends, what do you think about this new 2020 iPad Pro? A new Pro camera setup, 128GB of storage, brighter display. In my opinion, it's just a small refresh from its previous iPad Pro models. Well, if you are into augmented reality or a person who likes to take photos or record videos from your iPad Pro, then this is for you. If you are moving from any iPad Pro older than 2018, then it's a good option. Friends, let me know your opinions in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.